Hey! Last time we put the decals on the bike, and today we are doing the Barkbusters, handle guards, and Acerbis frame protectors. Let's do it!
My friend here, the Pineapple, made the right call. His ass might have covered pretty damn good amount of miles leading tours, but if he wants to be sliding his ass around the bush and trails, he better get his priorities straight and cough up some greens for basic quality adventure add-ons. Otherwise, his bike will be shining only in his garage like a diamond in goat's ass. Rowing through bushes, dropping it on the rocks, and wheel carting off the road always leaves a mark. Handlebar boosters, essential. Hammering those bushes in style. They definitely help to preserve your sled for another ride. Let me tell you, better to ride crooked than driving home for a warm beer on a weekend. Pineapple is obviously planning to use the bike for off-road, but more than just once. He better be aware that Tenere 700 ain't the lightest chariot for picking up as it lays down flat as a cheddar on the burger. Putting protectors on is always a wise decision. Becomes quite practical, actually. After the Lord lays down its vengeance upon you when you send it to the mud.
Next we are putting on the Acerbis frame protectors with these rubber O-rings, elastics. This tool comes really handy.
Keep your legs and boots close to the frame. Tuck it in, grab it. Ride it like you stole it. These frame covers will help you get some more grip. What you don't want to do is to fall of this horse while in the air, sending your sorry ass tits up while your stallion continues down the path of tears.
Done.
Headlight cover. There is no cheaper way to keep your candle on, keeping that light shining at the end of the tunnel, so you can still see where the hell you are going even though you've been lost for the last damn hour.
Next is the chain guard.
Chain guard. This will help your chain not getting mashed up by the front sprocket, getting your engine case open. Hammering a hole, spraying the engine oil out, and sending tears to the eyes of the owner not knowing his damn Tenere vacation just got canceled by big fat Yamaha service bill. It did happen. So there you go. Wham, bam, thank you, and let's go. Open road awaits. Bring that bike around. Give it the ride it deserves, down the valley of the trails beset by the bush mud and sand on all sides. That's why they call it adventure.